In this video, you will learn how to remove variables that contain a high percentage of missing values in Neural Designer. Variables with many missing values can degrade model quality, introduce noise, and increase computational time. This task automatically detects and excludes problematic variables, keeping your dataset clean and reliable. Let's start with the concrete properties example. We open Neural Designer and from the menu on the left side of the screen, click on the Examples button. All the available examples are displayed, and we select the concrete properties example. To begin, go to the Dataset section and click Exclude Missing Variables in the Task Manager. A pop-up window will appear asking you to set the missing values threshold. This value represents the maximum percentage of missing data that you are willing to allow for a variable. For example, if you set the threshold to 50%, any variable with more than half of its values missing will be removed automatically. Once you choose the threshold, click OK, and Neural Designer will analyze every column in your dataset. After running the task, Neural Designer displays a summary indicating which variables have been removed based on the threshold you set. In the concrete properties dataset, none of the variables exceed the missing values limit. The software reports, no columns have a missing values percentage greater than 50%. No variables were removed. This means the dataset is complete enough to proceed without discarding any variables. Even when no variables are removed, running this task is still important. It confirms the dataset's integrity and ensures that missing values do not silently affect the modeling process. You now know how to exclude variables with excessive missing values in Neural Designer and how to adjust the percentage threshold based on your needs. In the next video, you will learn how to detect and remove collinear variables, another essential step for ensuring a clean and efficient dataset.